好，今日講第二題 ，How does memory come into play？ Brody Set 17歲，佢哋而家望 Brody 咧就係、當佢咧係一個 exciting woman as a woman， 唔再就係以老師嘅角度啦。同埋呢個字 matriarchally 又冇係社會的咁樣，又係形容好 feminine 嘅一個 nature，feminine nature。用 Miss Brody 嘅用 memory 去講 Brody 依家佢嘅一個 character。然後我哋講 Lothar 啦 ，Lothar 咧依家就結咗婚㗎啦，同 Miss Lothar。OK，Miss Lothar 之前咧係喺學校做嘢，依家冇再做啦。呢度都係透過 memory 去同我哋講嘅。然後咧 Lothar looks at Miss Brody with shy admiration and memories whenever he saw her。呢一句啦，咁就話俾你聽，佢哋先經歷過啲咩啦？佢哋 Brody 照顧佢啊嘛，仲記得嘅話。然後呢一 part 咧 ，Joyce Emily 咧就我哋知道 Joyce Emily 佢係好壞嘅，佢換過唔同學校，而且佢嘅 family background 都係唔錯嘅，佢唔係嚟自一個 humble background。呢個亦都係透過 memory 去到同我哋講嘅。佢好曳啦，佢有次 have thrown paper pellets at Mr. Lothar。呢個就係形容佢曳行為啦。OK， 都係透過過去先可以描寫得到，透過記憶。呢一堆都係啦，佢之前偷人哋啲簿啊，剪人啲頭髮啊咁樣呢度，全部都係透過 memory 去講嘅。好，最後呢度啦，呢個咧係講 Mary 嘅。Mary 咧，佢其實咧係一個 stumbling block to Miss Mackey。Mackey 係個 headmistress， 佢好想炒佢 Brody 嘅。OK， 呢個又係透過記憶去到講嘅。成個敘事 narrative 咧都係一個記憶嚟嘅。雖然佢 past tense， 但係佢呢一堆嘢咧都係回想緊去到講嘅。所以最尾咧就帶出翻咧 Mary 係阻礙緊 Mackey 佢去炒咗 Brody 嘅一個原因啦，都係透過 memory 去到講嘅。有問題可以留言同我講，想學更加多嘅話就可以 join 我哋嘅 course 或者買我哋嘅模擬試卷。咁我哋下次再見啦〜